Hey everyone, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you a really quick and simple tip to get really good quality photos just by adjusting this simple thing. So this is something to really keep in mind when you're taking photos on your phone or your DSLR. So we're going to talk about ISO. So ISO is really important because you want to make sure that it's lower generally, because generally when it's lower, it means that your camera will have to work less and it'll let in less light, and that means you'll get less grain. So as you can see the photo that I'm showing you right now, this photo is on ISO 100 on the left, and that means the image is very clear. You get a lot more quality out of it. It's not as grainy. But when it's high, so ISO 3200 or something above that, you're gonna get a lot more grain. You're gonna get a lot more, distortion in it, and you're gonna have to do a lot more work to make it more HD, more the quality better. So there are obviously softwares to get rid of that, but I mean, you don't want to have it like that naturally usually. So generally, keep in mind is anything below 1,000 is best to use, and if you have to go above that, just know that you're gonna probably have noise in it, and you're gonna have to work with it that way. So we're gonna talk about aperture next time. So follow me on social media, LinkedIn, TikTok, Twitter, everything. I have it all, and we'll talk about that some next time. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.